If you want to learn complete English speaking course and English grammar, then please subscribe this channel and also click on the bell button for the latest updates.
How to ask about health activities. Are you okay? Are you feeling better today? How are you doing today? How are you doing? How are you feeling? How are you? How have you been? How you been? How you doing? How you feeling? How are things going? How are things with you? How are things? How's business? How's by you? How's everything? How's the family? How's tricks? How's with you? How's your family?
Hello friends, if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and also click on the bell button for the latest updates. Thank you.